wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best parchment papers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Made of eucalyptus fiber, paperchef non-stick is stronger when wet than many other options. It doesn't absorb oils, so it can be used for multiple batches of cookies, and the natural brown color makes for a pleasing presentation when packaging baked goods for gifts. It's kosher certified, and you get 205 square feet per roll. However, there's no serrated cutting edge on the box. At number 9, the chicwrap culinary comes with a reusable dispenser that can hold 15-inch rolls and is much easier to use than the flimsy cardboard boxes that most come packaged in. The fun, colorful design makes it a great gift for your favorite baker. A slider makes cutting quick and easy, and non-skid feet prevent it shifting, but it can't hold rolls bigger than 82 feet. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Cutting out circles to line cake tins is not only a pain, it's wasteful too. These kana lifestyle rounds are already the perfect shape and are also great for Dutch ovens, cheesecake pans, and even tortilla presses. They're waterproof and tear resistant and available in 8 and 9-inch sizes. However, they are on the thin side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for parchment papers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the double-sided Reynolds pan lining is the perfect combination of parchment and foil. The aluminum makes it easy to mold to fit your baking dish, helping to hold its shape and contain any liquid or oil that accumulates while food is cooking. You get 3 30-square-foot rolls, and there's no need for grease or non-stick spray, but they can't be used in the microwave. Moving up our list to number 6. Cut to 12 by 16 inches for half-sheet pans, Zenlogy Exact Fit are coated with vegetable-grade silicone, making them biodegradable. They won't burn or curl up during baking and are also available in multiple other sizes for different types of bakeware. These are oven-safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and lie flat for compact storage. However, they do crease quite easily. Halfway up our list at number 5. For environmentally conscious households, If You Care baking are the ideal balance between convenience and responsibility. They're coated with natural rubber for a non-stick finish and are both biodegradable and compostable, so you can feel good about any method of disposal. These are unbleached and chlorine-free and FSC certified eco-friendly. They come as a pack of 2. At number 4, great for lining baking sheets, rolling out pie or pizza dough, and making pouches to steam fish and vegetables. Beyond Gourmet Unbleached is naturally non-stick, so you won't have to fight to get your baked goods out of the pan. It's fully biodegradable with a water-based silicone coating, and it's safe for microwave use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you bake frequently, consider the Kirkland Signature Clear, which comes as a 205-square-foot roll that'll last for months or maybe even years. It's sturdy enough to be used multiple times, and the super sharp blade on the box makes for easy cutting. It lies flat after tearing and is good value for the price. It's sourced responsibly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for parchment papers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, conveniently pre-cut to the perfect size for most baking pans, Reynolds cookie sheets make prep work a breeze. They're also great for catching extra sprinkles and drips of icing when you're decorating for a quick and easy cleanup. You get 22 pieces per box, and they don't curl up easily. They prevent grease buildup. And taking the top spot on our list, made to fit 18 by 13-inch pans, the King Arthur Flour Heavy Duty are a professional-grade option that offer more structural integrity than many others. They can be reused multiple times and arrive in a slim Ziploc bag that makes them easy to store. These are made in the United States with a vegetable-based coating. They don't get soggy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for parchment papers, or simply click beneath this video.